Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the trackpad tracking speed on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Trackpad. Select Point and Click at the top of the page if it's not already selected. Under Tracking Speed, you can use the slider to change the tracking speed. Choose the speed that you would like and then leave the slider in that position. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.